Welcome back, guys. Welcome back. How you guys doing today? Alright, guys, if you're new to this channel, please subscribe, hit the notification bell so you can get all the latest update on our garden and our extension. This area here, we gonna be turning this forest into a food forest. And we're not going to be doing that by cutting down the trees them. We're not going to be cutting down any trees, but we're planting like in the areas where the sun shines, where at least we can get 5, 6, 7 hours of sunlight. That's the areas them we're choosing, so we're not cutting down any trees. So we're going to show you how we transform this area. So you got to follow us, you got to subscribe so you could get all the latest videos. So if you notice over here, we already start planting. We have squash and we have onions inside here. We have a few garlic. We now start getting everything together. We have some few eddoes here, and these potatoes, they already sprout. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna just put them in the soil. We want you to follow us, guys, because we grow other food in different areas. So we want you to follow us that you can get all the latest update on our garden channel. So what we're going to do here now, we're going to turn everything into a food forest. So what we're going to do here now, we're going to take our pick and we're going to pull all these leaf over. This soil is clay soil, so we want to utilize the leaf to mix with the clay soil and create a soft texture instead of have it as rock clay soil. So the leaf, as you see, there's a lot of leaf inside here. So we mix in everything, make sure that everything is covered. We're gonna be putting more soil, but right now I cannot put more because I'm doing the video. So yes, guys, so in this area here, let me show you what we do here. We burn like logs. Old logs, we use this area to burn them so we can get the ashes. This area here we have eddoes plant up here. So far I'm going to show you what is eddoes. So we have eddoes here, we have eddoes here, and we have sweet potato growing up inside here. This is what we call eddoes. So we already plant some of the eddoes, so we have a lot more to plant, but we're just gonna continue showing you guys. This is a old fridge we have here, and we have red potato growing down in here. We also have some beans which start blossom already. This is an old fridge. This one here, it's an old dishwasher. It get messed up because of the rain and the soil. But that's an old dishwasher, and right there we have sweet potato growing in that old dishwasher. So right up here is a very sunny area, and we know that pepper loves sunlight. So what we did, we make sure we come in the area where we're gonna have more sun and we plant our peppers. We want to use all these logs up there and transform them and build raised beds. So as you see, this is our pepper here. As you can see, guys, it's clay soil. We now plant this pepper a few minutes ago. This one we plant a couple days ago. And what we see they look like they're having life, guys. So yes, guys, this is the beginning of something new. We want you guys to see, follow our channel, that you guys can get the update on how we transform this area. We also gonna be planting some fruit trees right across inside here. So you guys gonna see. Just please subscribe. Please hit the notification bell so you guys can be notified every time we upload a video. This is the beginning, and we're giving you ideas how to turn your backyard into a food forest or into a beautiful place that you can just hang out and enjoy nature. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe and share. Peace.